Hello, and welcome. This is your girl, Rosaline from Wigs by Just Awesome. Today, I'm going to show you how to lay your lace frontal wig properly using a lace frontal wig that is glueless, okay? No damage to your edges or any kind. But before we dive into it, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Sharing, they say, is caring. Now let's dive into it. Here is the wig I'll be using, 13 by 4 colored wig that I'll be using, and I'll be spraying this on my edges. So if you see how smooth those edges look, so that's where I'm spraying it. I'm concentrating on those edges to make sure it's all there. And of course, to achieve and to know exactly where your edges end, is also great to use edge control to smoothen your edges, okay? To put it all down to the back, okay? Just lay them all to the back and smooth it. Let it be flawless and smooth and clean, okay? And then this will be great. Your install will be awesome, okay? That will help you enable know exactly where your hairline stop. Now we're diving into installing the wig, okay? Just look, you see how I'm doing it, pulling the rubber band back. Now I'm going to align the lace to match the hairline where I spray those the lace melting spray. That is what I'm doing right now. Just making sure that they're all all aligned together and properly and nicely. And again, I'm pressing it down using the comb, which helps it as well. That will give you the idea where you have lace still lifting, okay? If the spread didn't really get enough, didn't get there, you will see where to put more spread. So this is what I'm doing. So I walk my way from one end to another to make sure I get everything covered, okay? And I just add a little bit, see what I did there, a little bit lace spray on the lace, because I already have something down, just a little bit, just around on the lace. And now I'm just doing a little bit baby hair, not a too much baby hair girl, but hey, a little something is something too, right? So won't be bad. So that's what I'm doing, just using a mousse, no gel, nothing, just a mousse that I use to do lay those baby hairs, just a little bit again. But honestly speaking, those mousse is awesome. This mousse is awesome. It gets your wig done, but even it adds shine to your your hair, your wig, but your curly wigs and any kind of thing. Just like I use it to lay this baby hair, so it's so great. Now I'm using a lace melting belt to tie the hair down, and also a comb, a hot comb. This is a very important one that you need. Gorgeous queen, you need this hot comb, okay? You need it. And now I'm drying it, drying the edges, and like you see, it is already laid, okay? Now I'm going to apply the lace tinting mousse to the edges, just to blend it to my skin, okay? We are going in for a flawless install, okay? Yes, what lace? That's what we're doing. We want to get a flawless look, okay? So just I'm applying it, spraying it around the edges, the lace, okay? And this color is in my shade light, light color, okay? Light shade. Sorry. And then dry it as well just a few seconds, dry it up, and remove, just style your wig as desired, and go, do your makeup and everything. Also, go ahead and do this that I'm doing right now using the wax stick and the hot comb. These two are the bomb, okay? You need them in your life. Again, thank you for watching. We appreciate you. See you in our next video. Thank you again. Have a great day.